In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SharePoint pages in seconds using Microsoft Copilot. This is a quick and practical workflow that can save you time when you need to build a page fast, especially for things like announcements, project updates, or general team communication. Instead of starting from a blank page and writing everything yourself, Copilot helps generate a first draft and even suggests a layout so you can focus more on reviewing and polishing the final result. To get started, open your SharePoint site and go to the homepage where you want to add the new page. And it's important to begin in the correct site since that determines where the page will be created and who will be able to access it once it's published. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top command bar and click the New button. From the drop-down menu, choose Site Page. This opens the page creation experience and gets you ready to build your content. On the new page creation screen, look for the Copilot prompt box. This is where you'll tell Copilot what kind of page you want it to create. The clearer your description is, the better the result will usually be, so try to be specific about the purpose and tone of the page. Now type a clear description of the page you want. For example, you might ask for an announcement welcoming a new team member or a summary page for a project update. Keep your wording straightforward and focused so Copilot has enough context to generate useful content. After that, click the Generate button and give Copilot a moment to create the page. It will write the text for you and may also suggest a layout that matches the type of content you requested. This can be a great starting point, especially if you want something polished without spending too much time designing it yourself. When the content appears, take time to review it carefully. Read through the wording, check that the message fits your audience, and use the edit tools to make any changes you want. This is your opportunity to fine-tune the page so it matches your style, your team's needs, and the information you want to share. Once everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner. That will make your new SharePoint page live and available for your team. Thank you for watching this tutorial on AI page creation in SharePoint, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips.